The National Rural Health Students Network is made up of rural health clubs across Australia, and it's the only student body representing medical, nursing and allied health disciplines.
You can make a huge difference in rural health if you become a member of your local club. Really open my eyes to the kind of health inequalities there are in those kinds of areas, and I really want to be a nurse to help with closing the gap and to encourage other students to become leaders in their rural health workforce.
Nomad as a club provides students with an opportunity to get to know other students that have an interest in rural health.
It can offer you opportunities in terms of understanding better what your options are to work in rural and remote areas.
You get to go to conferences and network with people from all around the country as opposed to just your region.
Participating in rural health club activities will help you navigate your journey into health and provide other skills such as leadership and teamwork. From clinical skills workshops, conferences and professional development sessions, to rural high school visits and Indigenous community festivals. You will be exposed to the array of opportunities in rural health and be inspired by the unique communities you may visit along the way.
When I went to Alice Springs on the rural high school visits, I got the chance to meet a social worker at the Alice Springs Hospital. I got to talk to her about what it was like living there, as well as the clients that she works with.
Something that we're here to do is provide an example of down-to-earth, normal students that they can talk to who do things like, medicine and nursing, physiotherapy and pharmacy, and all these professional jobs which they might not necessarily consider.
We have days where we get professionals in to teach people things like suturing, plastering skills.
Because it's so representative of clubs from around Australia, they do collectively have a good voice in terms of what issues are affecting rural and remote health students.
By getting involved in your rural health club, you will gain first-hand experience in all that a rural health career can offer you, while building your professional and support networks. You can also play a role in improving health outcomes for rural and remote Australians.
Working in a rural community, you definitely have a broader scope of practice, especially in the area of nursing.
These rural doctors would do everything from deliver babies, to deal with a car crash, to look after people on the ward, to their own private practice, to doing anaesthetic lists and everything in between. They were incredibly well respected, they were incredibly approachable, and they were just really good people.
I just think in a rural setting, you've got more of a chance to impact on the community. Got involved in a number of those different sporting clubs. I played hockey, I played touch football, we did rowing. Basically just said yes to every opportunity that I've been invited to.
Every year there were more challenges and more interesting opportunities for me to take advantage of. So these opportunities kept coming, and for me the learning and the support here was fantastic. It really does broaden your horizons, increase your networks, and basically give you an opportunity to decide where it is you do want to practice.
It is a really good chance to get to know other people in the uni rather than just people in your own course. You'll meet like-minded, interested students who are enthusiastic about rural health, and it'll link you in with some amazing opportunities.
Just join your club.
It'll change your life.
Start your journey by joining your rural health club today. Be the future of rural health.